how to fix Roblox error code 600. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Roblox error code 600. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Roblox error code 600 usually indicates a connection issue. So here are some steps to help you fix this error. Firstly, you need to check the Roblox server status. You can easily visit the Roblox status page to check if there are any ongoing server issues. The second step you need to follow is check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet that you have currently connected is stable. You can easily restart your router or modem to refresh the connection. If this is not working, then you can easily switch between mobile data as well. Once you have done that, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox installed. For that, you can go to Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and tap the search icon. Tap search bar and type in Roblox. If you get updates on Roblox, tap on update so that it helps in bug fixes and performance improvements. Once you do that, you can easily exit from this and go back and search for Roblox app. Tap and hold the app. Now select App Info. Once this section opens, you need to clear the cache and cookies. You can tap the storage uses and tap Clear Cache, or else you can also clear data according to your wish. Or else you can also disable VPN or Proxy. If you are using any of those, you can disable it and try connecting without it. So lastly, if none of these steps work for you, you can tap and hold the app, tap on install button and uninstall it and reinstall from the Play Store or App Store. So by following all the steps, your Roblox error code 600 issue will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more tech and tips videos.